Good day everyone, it is your boy once again Paul Shilajwe, and I'm back with another video. So guys, as you saw the title and also as you saw the thumbnail, this is the Nasdaq New York Stock Exchange Open. I'm sure everyone knows the NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. Okay guys, so let me just clear this a bit for now. Okay, so guys, most of the time you know that there are people out there who are trading Nasdaq on certain times, and most people out there were trading Nasdaq on those times. It's either they're trading Nasdaq on 3:30 or on 4:30. Okay, but here I'm not here to tell you all about those 3:30s and 4:30. Like that knowledge is all over right now, and there's a high possibility that now the big boys knows that knowledge, and that's why surely they're getting manipulated. Okay, they're getting manipulated because the big boys knows what's actually happening. Because if you can just look at it before we can jump into the topic, let's just look at one session of the 3:30. Okay, where is it? 3:30. Okay, 3:30. Perfect. Here's one session of 3:30, guys. Once, yeah, no, it's not 3:30. This one. Okay, this is 3:30. It's quite a bit clean, this one. I won't lie, it's quite a bit clean. Okay, it's quite a bit clean. And if we can look at it, let's just see how much it was. 3:30. Okay, yeah, it's a clean 358 pips. Clean 358 pips. But let's just see how much the candle went down. Okay, this one was clean, guys. This one was clean. To be real, it was very clean. Let's see this one. What time is it? Perfect. 3:30. This one. Look at how this candle is. You can see how much, like, you can see that this candle is, it's not a normal candle, and many people were kicked out of here. If maybe, okay, you can see this is the open of it. This is the open of it. Then maybe you say you entering a buy trade. Okay, you enter your buy trade and you think that you're going to hold for more, you're going to hold for more. Then truth, the market just comes back to this level and it hits your stops, or it blows your account and all those kind of stuff. Because you know the big boys knows it, guys. The big boys knows it, and they will try by all means to just manipulate the market so that you don't make money out of that session. So right here, I'm just going to show you something that I've been authoring for a long time, but maybe you are afraid and you're not sure if is this tradable on the Nasdaq or on the Nasdaq market. Okay, so basically, as you can see my thumbnail, I caught a beautiful trade on Nasdaq on the New York Stock Exchange Open. The New York Stock Exchange Open, guys, I will just place a screenshot right here on the screen showing you what time it opens and what time it closes. But by mouth, I'll just say it opens at 9:30, it closes at 4 p.m. Okay, so it's just like the London session, exactly like the London session. And immediately when it opens, you can see most of the time that Nasdaq always respects this. Okay, Nasdaq always respects this. I'm going to make a few examples, but firstly, I just want to run through with you guys on the trade that I took when the London session opened. Okay, we can see over here the trade I took, it was this one. Okay, the long one. But we can see over here that we have a bit of a zone. Okay, this is a perfect zone that we have on this path. We have a zone right here. We have a zone right here. We can see that the market rejected on this one. It broke and it came back again, gave us a false out. It went a bit, became a bit of choppy, came and gave us a bit of falls out again, but it was supporting some bit of a level this side. We are not going to focus on that one. It came back again and it did what? It rejected very much well and very clean. Okay, so perfect. This is what this is basic, guys. This is basic. You know this candle setup. Okay, you know this candle setup of a bearish setup, then you get a doji or a rejection candle, then you get a bullish candle which also surpasses this bearish candle. So basically, most people would have taken that trade after this break, immediately after this break. But yet, you can't take it after that break because the candle is still running. You are not sure if the candle is still going to come and reject or whatsoever. You have to just wait for it to close. Immediately when it closed, this is when the New York Stock Exchange was opening, and that's when I took my trade with much more confidence, guys. So my stops were just around over here. My stops were just around over there, and my take profit, let's just zoom out and I'll show you. So guys, one thing also that I want to tell you with this is that when you put your stops, when you put, I mean, your targets, you must not put bigger targets. Look for as much targets as you can, so that you know that you have your target 1, target 2, target 3, and all those kind of stuff, knowing that you're going to wait for a break on your target before you can say I'm closing this trade. You're going to wait for a break of it. After a break of it, you're going to wait for a confirmation candle. It's either it's going to be a rejection or the same color going to the upside. Then if you get a candle which is you can see that it's of the opposite color, then you know that this might be a false out. Then you close your trade, even though it might be a bit risky that way, but I guess that's how you must run with many targets. Okay, so I took the shortest target because I saw that, okay, sharp, we had a market, the market rejected this part and came here over here. It broke this level but gave us a false out. So I thought that the market must come to this point, but it must mitigate what happened over here. And truly speaking, it mitigated it, but it did not go so long, because over here you had another opportunity that you could have jumped onto, but unfortunately I didn't jump into it. But if it was someone maybe not knowing that this is the London session that we are trading right now, and that person just saw this opportunity, surely wherever that person is, they jumped onto this trade. Okay, as you can see, we came back to mitigate this level again, and you could have even took your trade over here to the upside, but I took my trade over here, and I basically secured 576 pips, which in South Africa and in South African currency with a 0.01 is 576 rands. Okay, that's enough for a day, guys. Like, I mean, who can give you that money so easily? But you can see the market went up. So let's just look at another session. As you can see on this session, we had another beautiful bullish move immediately when the London session opened, but this one was a bit messy, and even if I entered it, I just spotted an inside bar over here, a bit of an inside bar. Okay, perfect. Inside bar, a rejection immediately when the London session opened. I would have taken this entry to the upside. My target would have obviously been over here. Let's just place it. My target would have been over here, and my stop losses will be over here. So let's just say I took this trade. I would have taken it from the 50% level. Okay, my stops would have been just below that level, and my target would have been just over here. So I secured how much? 339 pips. That's good for a day, guys. 339 rands. That's good for a day. Over here we had another big push to the upside. Surely this inside bar also supported this part, because you can see that we have some powerful zone that is right over here, because you can see so much wicks. And let's just see if maybe it's this one. We have so many wicks over here. Perfect. Okay, this is perfect. Perfect. So we can see, guys, we can see over here that we have another zone. Let's just remove this one. We have another zone over here, and immediately on the London session we can see, guys, like there have been a lot of rejections on this path, and already when we have a lot of rejections like this, we know that the market wants to go up, okay, or wants to go to that direction, certain direction. So we had a candlestick. You can see a big rejection which the buyers were pushing to the upside, and not immediately when the New York Stock Exchange opens you must enter a trade, guys. Just wait for good opportunities. Okay, wait for perfect opportunities for you, then dive in. But you can see we had a big push. So always when it's London session, the market does this, guys. When it's New York Stock Exchange open, the market does this. Over here we have another zone. Okay, we have another zone that the market supported when the New York Stock Exchange opened. We have a bearish candle, we have a bullish candle, which is a rejection. Others would have taken a risk entry from just here. Okay, others would have taken a risk entry from there. Obviously stops must just lie under over here, so stops must just be a bit over there. So I would have taken a risk entry, or others would have taken a trade over here to the upside. Okay, yeah, whichever one is good, whichever one is good. And from these rejections that I'm seeing over here, I would have taken my take profit just over here. It's how much? 624 pips. That's about 600 and some 600 and something rands. Okay, then if maybe there's something on the left that is supporting, maybe I would have placed my take profit over here, but for now it's over here. Okay, let's just jump into another New York session. Another New York session, as you can see right over here. And as you can see, basically guys, we have a bit of a consolidation over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we have a beautiful consolidation over here. We have a consolidation on this path. As you can see, the consolidation, we have a break. And if you can go to lower time frames over here, there's something that is going to give us an entry, because I can see this market was a bit rejecting a bit of this level. I can say a bit of this level, I can say, okay, a bit of this level, I can say. And with its break, because okay, let's just take it to the left. Perfect. Perfect. So we have a zone over here. We have a market that is rejected on this one and went up and came back again to reject and came up again, and it broke this level, after which this was firstly guys, this is our consolidation. The market was going down, it consolidated, it broke the consolidation, it broke the zone. This candle, it was the New York Stock Exchange open, it rejected what it retested our zone. Then after the retest, I would have taken my trade right over here guys, on the second candle of the New York Stock Exchange open. My stops can be just around there, like anywhere you feel comfortable to put your stops, you can put your stops. Okay, my target would have been over here, because I can see a level which has been supporting a lot. My take profit would have been there. Today we even secured a lot for today, 720 pips. It's just about 720 rand to 0.01. I'm speaking about the South African currency. It's about 720 rands. Okay, then okay, we have another New York Stock Exchange open. Maybe this one, it could have been a bit of losses, but it depends on experience, because we have a lot of weeks over here guys. We have a lot of weeks, and if you can see over here, we have a bit of zone supporting this level. We have a zone supporting this level, and you can see zones have been hitting that level, rejecting that level, and we have this bearish we have this bullish candle and a bearish one. So much probably, if you took your trade over here, you would have at least came a bit to this level, but yet maybe there would be losses. Okay, there would be losses. And over here we can see that we have a double bottom. Okay, we have a double bottom. Let's just do this. We can even combine it with this path. We have a double bottom on this part. Then we can see over there, if maybe you wanted to take your trade during the London session and the New York session, you can. It's your decision, as long as you see a good opportunity. But what I'm trying to face over here is that you must trade trading on the New York. The market moves more on the New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, you see the trade has been successful. Like I would have maybe at least closed over here, 605 pips. Okay, then we have another New York Stock Exchange open over here, which is a London session. Let's just see over here what happened. We can see some bit of rejections on this path. Can it be this one? It can be it, but there must be something stronger on the left side. There must be something stronger on the left side, guys. That just can't be it, because I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't truly believe it. Trust me, guys. I wouldn't believe that. No, and I can't see anything on the left side, but I wouldn't believe it, even though I can see there are a lot of wigs over here rejecting, which tells me that there must be something there. But right now we can't see it. I won't lie to you guys. Then we come back. Immediately when the New York Stock Exchange opens, we can see that the market comes to this level, it breaks it. After breaking this level, it goes again to the upside, which this was a false out, and also this one surpasses the bearish candle, which I would have taken my trade, my buy trade over here, but yet the candle was too big and it needed a bit of more space of stop loss, because obviously your stop must be over here. Your stop must be over here, and I'm not sure if I would be willing to lose to risk 400 pips. Okay, for how much? Because you see where it ended over here for, it's, yeah, for 517. So it's about 1:1 risk ratio. It's about 1:1 risk ratio. I don't know, it will be your choice if you wanted to take that one, but guys, you must always be alerted, guys. This one, it was for today. This one is for, it was for today. Okay, I didn't trade Nasdaq today, but guys, you must always be alerted. Okay, be alerted. Not everything, you're not going to win every day. Every day is not going to be a winning one, but most of the days you're going to win with this one. I've shown you many examples, guys. Shown you many examples, and also this one I would like to also analyze it with you guys. I would like to analyze it with you, because we can see over here we have a bit of level, a very good level on this side. Okay, we have a good level on this side. We can see that the market was rejecting over there, coming to the downside. So basically what I can see over here, I can see a bit of a range. I can see a bit of a range. Okay, a bit of a range on this side. What you can do over here is blue. Okay, guys, what I can see over here, I can see a range from this high level. Okay, from this high level to this down level. Okay, then we can see that the market has been playing inside, gave us a bit of falls out, and also, yeah, over here it gave us a falls out, and it also gave us a falls out over here. Then afterwards we can see that the market broke this zone, and it gave us what, a pause. I've thought about pauses in I think the previous two videos that I've made. I've spoke about pauses. It gave us a pause, or we can say also a rejection. Then I would have taken my trade over here. I guess I would have taken my trade over here. It wouldn't be something that I would hold for a long time. Okay, 95 pips, no, it's something that I can risk. Okay, then saying that my take profit is over here, 316 pips, something that was fast, guys. That was really fast, guys. Like, I waited only for 2 candles so that my target could be hit. So you are done for the day. You are done for the day, and as you can see, the market went back inside the consolidation. That is the range, I mean. We are not sure what it's going to do, and we don't care what it's going to do. All we care about is taking those pips off the New York Stock Exchange. So guys, this is it for me from today. I'm going to record another video, and I thank you guys for your support, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. Okay, yeah, I've said the same thing. Thumbs up and like. Lol. Okay, so don't forget to like and share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for the love that you're showing me, guys. I'm going to upload another video of other blogs. This will be other blogs 2.0. It will be awesome, trust me, guys. Stay tuned, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. I'm signing out, guys. Yes sir.